and today we'll be reviewing the Nerf Elite Rampage. So let's get on with the review. This is the Nerf Elite Rampage. It shoots up to 75 feet and it comes with a 25 dot mag, and it can hold it can hold 6 dart magazines and 10 dart magazines and 30 dart magazines, and of course 25 and 10, if I already said that. And it uses blue elite darts, these ones, but they jab a lot, and these ones they jab a lot. These ones it uses without jamming. 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 And you can put stocks on it, so that they go a bit comfy this using the Demolisher stock, because that's the best one I can find. So I'll just show you how powerful this gun is, and I'll tell you the cons of it. I'll just put the bullets in what I just told you about. So, first one, I'm going to use the Sonic Fire bullet. I'm going to put it in. Oh, I just need to fire the bullet. There. Just put in the Sonic Fire bullet. Some of them, they might not work like the jamming ones. Sonic Fire bullet fired. The Velcro one, I think the Velcro ones work. I think it was the Velcro ones. Suction ones. This might stick onto the window, but if you want to see it, it didn't stick. Camo. Of course, the camo's going to work. No, just put in the zombie slide. Then these two. The first one I'll be firing off is the Elite Dart. You know that the Elite's coming on. There's a zombie strike. Then I think it's camo. Hopefully the camo is in there. The zombie strike one's just magazines a bit. Or just my magazines a bit. Yeah. I'll just think about it, and I'll just tell you the cons of it. So the cons about this, it has a really hard jam door to open. Say if I cock it back and then forwards, it won't come. But then I'll fire, put it back, and it opens. You don't need to close it again, because when you do that, the bad thing is about this, the stock is so short, you go like that, you can't see the button release. So you have to kind of have a stock on it, but when you have a stock, it's too big, so you can't. It's a bit hard to push it forwards and put it backwards. So I just usually grab the rocket round here from my Demolisher, so I can put my magazine in. Look at that. Take it out. Or otherwise, I take this out and I just push it onto there. Or say I'm sniping, I go like this. I'll go like this. So now I'll show you all the angles. This is what it looks like when I say I was shooting it. This is one side, top, another side, bottom of it, inside the gun, inside the jam door, and it holds a dot here. So say you had all of those 25 dots. Yeah, you're gonna have one in there. Don't use your Velcro darts because when you're going like this, it might come out, and then it will stick to your t-shirt, and it will look like you've been shot. So I'll see you back with another Nerf video and review. Bye.